Hi, I'm AJ and you're watching Woodified. I bought this door handle for my bathroom. So it's an interior door handle. It locks. However, when it comes in the package, it's what I would consider being upside down. So the handle, well, that was a nice save. So the handle curves the wrong way. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse the door handles so they're the right way. Check it out! So here's what I consider the lever being upside down. See, it curves up. My belief is that it should be the other way. So when you put your hand down onto it, it curves into the palm of your hand. Like that, right? More comfortable. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy. Leave me a comment down below. Is this up the right way or is this the wrong way? I don't know. How do your handles look? I decided to make this video after taking my son to drum practice. When I opened the door to go in, the handle just didn't feel right in my hand. And upon closer inspection, I realized that handle looks like it's upside down. So I decided, hey, maybe not everybody knows how to switch these levers around. So I decided to make this video. So the tool comes in the package. So in mine, it's this little round, wiry type tool that you stick in the hole. You depress a little button, and then you can pull the lever off. So that was the easy side to get the handle off. The other side of the handle, it has a spring in it, and sometimes the little button that you have to depress doesn't line up with the hole that you got to stick the tool in. So what you got to do is you got to turn it, and then you got to hold it with your hand so the little button stays in that hole, and then push that little button down and pull the lever off. This side's a little bit more tricky, but I think you can do it. It took me a couple times just to get it, and you can see here now it's loose just a little bit, and I can slide that off. So what you want to do is get the other lever from the other side and put it on this side of the handle. Here I'm showing you that little button that you have to push, and you can see the little slot in the side of the barrel where that button kind of pops up and holds the lever from falling off. Slide the handle back down. Now this is the opposite, so you switch the handles. What I had to do on this one is I actually had to press the button again to get the lever to go all the way down. But sometimes when you push it down, it will go right over the button. You don't have to line it up and push it. So there, now the handle's stuck on, and it's in what I would consider the right side up. Grab the other side, line up the where you look down and see where that little button is. Line up the slot in the handle, and then just slide it into place. And in this case, I have the door lock for the bathroom. You just want to make sure that that's in place. I was careful not to pop it out when I took the lever off. Now you can see when I put the handle back in place how it's going to be. You can see that the handle actually curves into the palm of your hand. And this is the correct way, in my opinion, that these lever handles that are curved should be installed. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to support my channel, please click on the Amazon affiliate link down below. I'll put a link to a lever door handle that's curved. If you don't want to buy a door handle, just buy anything on Amazon. It's an affiliate link. Does not cost you anything extra, and you support my channel. Thanks for watching.